Hey guys, like and subscribe, put a comment down below, and don't forget to hit that notification bell for more. And he's saying hi to all of you. He's saying hi to the viewers. Hi. He's saying hi. And he's gonna be looking. Okay. Okay, so he's gonna be right here. Okay, little buddy, you're gonna be right here. Yeah, you're gonna be just right over here. And there you go. So, of course, this video is gonna be about how to make an improved version of that vending machine that I made that are of squishies. This time, it's still squishies, but let me get it just real quick. In 3, 2, 1. Hey guys, so I am back, and here we are. We actually have the vending machine. Okay, so this is my vending machine that I have. So you just gotta turn the knob like this, and it gets jammed sometimes, but there you go. You get a little Squishmallow prize, and also there's lots of So here are the lights in it, and let me just turn them off. So this is my new improved version, but you just put the prices in from the top, and there you go. And also, I also made a gigantic squishy. It's so cute. And if you want to see more videos of the older vending machines I made, you can go look at my videos on my older videos, which I have about 72 videos now, or 73, but I probably have 72 videos now, but I did begin this YouTube channel last year, which was 2021, now it's 2022, and I have been moving around, so that's why I couldn't do much videos. And please like and subscribe, put a comment down below, and don't forget to hit that notifications bell for more. And in the next video, we are going to be doing I don't know what we're gonna be doing. Maybe viewing Pokemon cards? I really don't know, but oh, I know what. Viewing Pokemon cards, maybe? I don't know, but I'll think about it. So in the next video, we will be doing something mystery, and please click one of my suggested videos down below. And bye guys.